What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today, more unboxing. Let's get to it. So I'm pretty excited because Kies Motorsports did it once again and they sent me some carbon stuff. So check this out. I mean, yeah, we're gonna open them up. I'm gonna show you what's inside of them. And yeah, I'm just really stoked. So I know exactly what they are. I just haven't seen them in person yet. So I'm really excited. So let me find a blade. Okay, we're gonna use this. Oh wait. All right, fam. So we got a knife. Let's open this up. You know what? I'm gonna get closer. I don't know if you guys can see me or not. There you go, you can see me now. So let's open this thing up. I feel that the box might weigh more than the actual carbon piece. I mean, it's freaking light. So I feel like it's Christmas. I feel like it's been Christmas this whole week. Okay, so right off, oh, I know what this is. This is the sport. Okay, so this is the paddle shifter extension glassy carbon. I'm gonna show you this in a bit. All right. Woo! This is the spoiler. Gotta be careful because, well, I'll probably put it back in the box. Yeah. They did a really good job with packaging this thing up. I mean, my gosh. Okay. So I opted out for the PCM carbon fiber spoiler on my, on my 440. I wanted to go aggressive. Oof. You know, whenever I unwrap carbon, gosh, this thing is amazing. You know, there's something weird, but I love the smell of carbon fiber. I don't know, it's weird. Woo! This thing is a beast. Oh my God. This looks phenomenal, guys. Wow. Okay, so it's gonna sit pretty high. Yeah, this is gonna be really aggressive on the trunk. Guys, check this out. I mean, this just looks phenomenal, guys. Looks great, it's amazing. I love the way it just, woo! All right, let me show you some B-roll. All right, dope. So the spoiler is there. So then this must be the diffuser. Yeah, let's open this thing up, yeah? Let me get my knife again. This sketched out knife. I don't even know how I got this. I mean, it's never been used. Okay, let's see what we got. Ouch. Okay, okay. So Kies, being Kies, did something a little special. And I can already see it. Oh man, this thing is massive. Guys, holy crud. Okay. This thing weighs nothing. Holy crap. All right, let's open up the top. Who's calling me? I mean, this thing is just weird. I mean, look at that. You got like clippers at the end. I mean, it just doesn't make, I keep clipping myself, which is what I'm most excited about. I'll show you right now. Woo! This right here is what I'm most excited about. I don't know if the camera can focus on it and see if it can. Kies Motorsport decal with keychain. I mean, hey, I already got one right here. You know what I'm saying? I just dropped my knife. I got one right here, but hey, a second one will never hurt. Maybe I'll put it on the wife's car. That'd be really funny. I mean, she's driving a Porsche now, so why not? So yeah, guys, here it is. You know what, let me get the knife again, because this tape is unreal. Sticker. Packaging is nice. I'm gonna do the blade towards me. There's no way I'm gonna clip this thing. Don't want to scratch the carbon. Okay, let's open this thing up. Woo, man, this thing is dope. You know what? This is gonna call for bigger exhaust tips. So you know, you just have to. Let me know what you guys think in the comments if I should get bigger exhaust tips, because this diffuser, this right here is key. Get it? Keys? Yeah, you get it. Oh my God. This thing is just a beaut. So aggressive. Oh, guys, gosh. You know, I feel like this video is gonna be weird noises that I'm making, because this is just phenomenal. It's so light. It's insane how light this thing is. You know, I'm afraid that the wrong tug could really ruin it. Oh my God. Guys, holy crap. Look at this. This is gonna look so aggressive. Fudge. Yeah, I'm gonna need bigger tips to make up for this. This, man, my whole rear end is gonna look nuts. Guys, this is the carbon fiber by Kies. Look at that. Well, not by Kies, but you get me. Well, actually, did they make this? I don't know, I think they did. Anywho, it's slotted already, so there's holes already pre-drilled, which I appreciate, because you don't want this to fly out. Gosh, I'm so excited. And I see clips here, so I'm sure it's gonna be an easy install. Guys, I wanna install this already, but stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, because guys, the install video is coming out soon. This looks phenomenal, guys. Oh my God. I hope the whole video was in focus, because you know, I keep switching cameras around, because anywho. I'm excited, guys. Let me show you some B-roll. Let's get to it. All right, guys, well, there you have it. Thank you for watching my unboxing video of some amazing carbon fiber parts that Kies Motorsports sent over. Go hit them up and let them know that you saw this video and order your carbon parts from them. I'm sure they can help you out with anything. I mean, gosh, this is just super, super amazing the way they handled the shipping. I mean, it was wrapped up properly. The boxes were sturdy. They were taped up good. I mean, guys, there was no way they would have gotten damaged on the way to my house. So I'm excited to install these parts. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification, because I upload a video every single week, fam. Every single week. So, woo! I'm excited. I need to get some 3M tape, because yeah, that's all I'm missing. But thank you so much, fam. I'll see you next week.